Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful plum lip, glossy lip. Just so you guys should know, my lip is already big. I didn't do no cosmetic job on my lip. This is all natural. This is all me. Sometimes I just like to make it look more plump, and sometimes I just put my lip gloss on and go. But usually if I put picture on Instagram and Facebook, I get a lot of questions, people asking me how I get my lip to be so, you know, plump like this. Today I decided to come here and show you guys how I do it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let's get started. So now I'm just gonna take my makeup wipe and clean all the makeup off my lip. So I'm just gonna take my eyebrow gel. You could use eyeshadow, you can use your lip liner, you can use whatever you're comfortable using. As for me, I just use whatever I have. So right now I have my dark brown eyebrow gel. This is my lip line, and then I'm just gonna go not on my lip line here, I'm just gonna go an inch off my lip line. So right here. After that, I'm gonna take my small brush and just blend it out. You can use whatever lip gloss that you have that you like. You can use it. As for me, my first lip gloss I'm about to put on my lip is the Hard and Candy Lip Plumper. So that's how it's looking right now. So now I'm just gonna take this peachy lip gloss and put it all over my lip like this. Take a little bit of that, and put this all over my lip. That is looking so sexy right now. Now I'm just gonna take the Anastasia lip gloss in Undress. I'm just gonna take that and put it in the middle of my lip. I'm just gonna take a little bit more and put it back in the middle of my lip. I'm just gonna go back in with my brush and blend everything. So that's how my lip is looking right now. And then I'm just gonna take my face powder and clean all around my lip. So this is the finished look. This is how my lips look. Very plump and sexy.